All right, hey folks, how we doing? Thanks for checking out the video. Quick garden update. All the plants are doing really good. I've lost a few to pests and just stuff here and there, but for the most part, everything is doing really well. Fruiting should start here within the next, I would say 30 days or so. I'm starting to get some flowers on the tomato plants, also on the pepper plants. So that should all be coming in here real soon. We've got a lot of good rain too. Water barrels are all full. I've actually got to purge some of these guys out. I've got to figure out I can't keep them full because when it rains, it'll just pour over and wash out. So still working on that, but it's working. It's doing its job. Something else around here that's doing its job is the Have a Heart chipmunk and squirrel trap. These guys were a problem in my garden. I don't know if you can see some of the holes down in there, but they'll get in the planters and dig holes in them. There we go, there's one. Dig holes in the pots, that sort of thing. So I got this Have a Heart chipmunk trap. Chipmunk, squirrels, gophers, that sort of thing. And it's crushing the chipmunk. I'm getting a chipmunk a day at least. You know, pulling these guys out of here at a fast rate. Cute little fellas. We don't want to kill them. We are just relocating them a couple miles away to a park down by the river where there's lots of other chipmunks and things for them to do down there. But yeah, the Have a Heart trap. If you got a chipmunk problem or you have a squirrel problem, that sort of thing, this dude is money. So like, I was baiting it, right where he's sitting right there. That's where they want to stand because it's not real comfortable anywhere else in there. And that's the trigger for the trap. But I was baiting it every single time. And of course that worked. Now, nice little nook here. Now you can see there's some seed down there on the ground. So I figured out I don't even have to bait the trap anymore. I just need to put seed underneath the trap and set it on top. And they can't eat it, but they still trigger the trap. But yeah, Have a Heart chipmunk and squirrel trap is absolutely crushing it here. It's been a lot of fun, and I'm gonna take this guy out to the park here in just a little bit. But yeah, I'm having less and less issues with critters digging at the base of my tomato plants or pepper plants. So these guys are definitely my culprit, and I'm starting to thin the herd.